Hey, welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here. And one of my loyal watchers suggested a video on just the pool house. So that's what this episode is about. Welcome back, everybody. I'm going to be talking about the pool house, which I'll get to in a second. This is the pool and blogged about it and everything. This is custom designed pool. And they had to, the drains are right here, they're in there. And they had to dig all this before, when it was just sand, all the way over to the pool house right over here. It's really deep. So we're going to go in there and I'm going to show you around. We wanted the pool house to, because away from the house a bit. So if there was any noise, we wouldn't really hear it. So they had it set up to run automatically every morning. And this is actually a shelf we got from Home Depot to stick all of the equipment here. They originally made it with this pool house to right here. This was going to be the entrance, but they we need some storage. So we got the storage here. Aluminum door we actually bought locally, and that's from Home Depot. And we got a little pool store to get all this equipment in Merida. Now this under here is actually pretty deep. I think like somewhere between 6 to 10 feet deep. And that's where that drain goes into, from the pool, goes into here. This is the pump. So swim pro, as you can see. In there, the motors, the motor, all the things you need. Here's hooked up to the power as well. This unscrews off and you can stick the chlorine pellets in it. So you don't need a floater in the pool. It gets chlorinated actually from here and circulated around the pool automatically. Again, it runs every morning and there's timers somewhere here and all that. I'm not, real familiar with electricity, so I don't know a lot of the details. Our electrician slash plumber that wired a lot of things here that we needed done did this. So the pool construction company did this pool house, just the walls and the roof and everything. And the electrician plumber did everything else. And then our weekly caretaker, again, I think I mentioned them, they're a couple. So Samay, she cleans inside and he does everything outside. So he's in charge of the pool, basically this equipment, and he cleans it. It's got a little cleaner here, especially this thing, which this pipe, which then hooks up to the filter in the pool. Well, I'll go show you. So what I've seen him do every week is he hooks up that equipment that I just showed up to right here. And then he just basically sweeps the pool. And we got a skimmer as well that he uses the skim. I actually used it as well myself. And I actually have a handheld one. So when you're in the pool, it's actually a kitchen utensil. I can scoop up bees that are drowning in there or have already drowned, leaf, coconut, because all the coconut trees around it. We get coconut flowers in it as well. Yes, we have had some coconuts fall into the pool, and so they're very easy to get out of the pool. It's not a big rush. They don't actually leak or anything. They just float around. We had a bunch of coconuts over here, but we've been able to give them away. That's it on the pool. It's been fantastic. The custom design with really easy steps, which is not common here in Mexico, and the bar stools and the bar area, and of course having a palm tree island and all that. Even a swim out there and over here, even stairs from the shallow end. to the deep end and this being heart shaped is all custom. We actually add and told them to do this. This is not normally what they do. Quite honestly, normally around here, it's a big rectangle, and that's it, and barely any steps at all. In fact, some pools we've had a very hard time getting in and out of. In, you could just jump, but getting out has been a challenge. This pool, we wanted to make sure it's my retirement home that it's really easy as we get older, still be able to use the pool. And we did also do a steam room, which is right there, which is fantastic. I'm waiting to do an update on it when the door comes in. I've heard that it is in Merida, so hopefully within a week or so, we'll have that door installed. We're actually using a curtain that we take in and out of that doorway to get it to use the steam. So we use the steam room, and then we can, of course, we can take a shower or we can jump in the pool to cool off. And it's fantastic. And we wanted that, of course, near the pool just for that reason. That is highly unusual, and I'll do a video when that's complete as well. It's the only thing that's not complete here. That's it on the pool update. Thanks for the suggestion, loyal viewer. Thank you very much. If you got a question also about this or anything about doing a home renovation in Mexico, we did it without an architect, which is highly unusual here, actually, then leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and go over and get on the Expat Rebel community. There's a newsletter over at expatrebel.com/newsletter that has a bunch of expat news for people that are expats or want to be expats that you need to know, and it comes out every week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.